Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you guys a quick business update. What I've been working on and how the business is going overall. So this week I've been focusing all of my energy on social media posting. Now I originally created a TikTok and Instagram profile back around 2 months ago when I first started the business. Now I wasn't really posting daily on it as I am now. For the first 3 days on both TikTok and Instagram, my Instagram views were capped at around 100. I was on a view cap, or maximum you could say. And on TikTok, I was only averaging around 70 through 80 views, which isn't really good for funneling people into my business. Thankfully, on Friday and Saturday, on those last 2 days, I did eventually break my view maximum on both TikTok and Instagram, with 2 videos on Instagram getting over 150 views, and on my TikTok, both of my videos getting above 110 views. One got 250, one got 120. Now you might be wondering, did I change up the content at all to have my videos perform better than when I was just posting ads right off the bat? And yes, that is correct. Instead of posting ads right off the bat, I just posted my dog sleeping and him playing around with his toys. And that seems to be doing a lot better than just having ads out. It seems like TikTok and Instagram can detect if you are posting a promotional video rather than just a normal wholesome video. Now, one thing I noticed specifically through TikTok Messenger is that a lot of bots will reach out, specifically asking for what your supplier information is. Now, it's important that you block these people or bots and make sure you don't respond. Don't give out your supplier's information. That's pretty much your moneymaker, and it's important you block them right away. One thing I also noticed that is working is scheduling posts. Now, you never just want to post at like 2 p.m. on a Tuesday on TikTok. That doesn't really maximize your exposure rate for your video. You want to post at around 7 through 9 p.m. because that's when everybody is getting ready for bed and just on their phone scrolling most of the time. Now, my goal for March 31st is to make my first sale, and that is very much so possible. I am just this close. I just need to post more on social media, and I feel like one last ad run will get me my first sale, or even 2, who knows. With whatever I've learned so far throughout all these months, with next week I'm gonna go in posting once a day again on social media, trying to raise my following up. And I'll update you guys on whatever happens next week, regardless if that's positive or negative. Thank you so much for watching.